Hi all, welcome to Hello World series. In this tutorial we are going to talk about a scenario where you need to create a Maven project, and for example you want to create a Jersey quick start project, but you do not have the archetype for Jersey installed in your Maven Eclipse. So when you try to search it, you don't find any. So what we should do so that we can create Jersey project using Maven Eclipse. So let's see this scenario in Eclipse and then we'll come back to this discussion. So let's see, let's assume you have to create a Jersey project. So go to Maven, standard. Now let me search something for Jersey. There is none, right? So I have two options. One is I can add an archetype from here. Okay. So here I need to know the archetype group ID like package, like com, glassfish, archetype, Jersey and all, and then artifact ID of that, and then version and then repository. So instead of that, there is one better option. So let me cancel this. So let's go to Windows Preferences, Maven, Archetypes. Let's verify. It may take some time because it has to connect to this URL and then verify this archetype. So if you see this in background, it's downloading this remote catalog when I clicked on verify. So let it download. Again, this verify is enabled. It means that it's verified successfully, and it says found 19178 archetype. So you can imagine how many archetypes are available with Maven. Amazing. Let's say okay, apply. Okay, now let's come back and create a new project again. Maven, same thing. I'm not going to repeat this. So you can see that it found out all these artifacts, and they are nothing but they all came from this remote catalog whatever we used. So let me type something on Jersey. It's taking a little time because it has to search in all of them. So this is here. Earlier it was not coming. Okay, so you could see that adding remote catalog enabled you to create a project for Jersey. Okay, then add, then it will take some time because again it has to download this archetype and all these dependencies. Let's provide these basic details. So what I found here is, I don't know whether it's a bug or issue because it did not generate package for this particular archetype. So let me copy this, put it here again, say finish. It's creating this new project using this archetype. So let it create and let's wait. It's downloading all the dependencies for this. So you can imagine the power of Maven, what kind of work it does in background for you. Just for one project creation, it does so many things. What maybe you have to do it yourself if you're not using Maven or if you're not using any tool. So it made developers' life quite easy. It's downloading all these jars. See? It's all done. Again, we are seeing one issue in index.jsp which we saw earlier, so I believe it should be about a server dependency. So let's add that. Here it goes. So this is the project for you which used Jersey, and you can see here this is my resource. So you can imagine, see it all JAX RS based Jersey implementation project. This is all from this video. I hope you're enjoying my channel and videos. And you can subscribe to this channel. You can add comments if you like. If you do not like, just add the comments and let me know what do you feel about this channel and videos. Thank you so much for watching again. Thanks.